Hey guys, Gator Mom here. I am so excited. I just recently got in the mail my brand new Simplified Planner. I decided to go with the weekly edition this go round, and I picked up that as well as a few other accessories and goodies from launch day that I'm excited to share with you today. Alright, so I think I'll go ahead and get started with sharing the accessories that I grabbed on launch day. They had a ton of new things, and then there was just some items that I've been wanting to try for a while that I went ahead and just decided to grab since I was already ordering the planner. So I'm going to go ahead and move everything out of the way. Some things I went ahead and just unwrapped so that the video would go a little bit quicker, and then some things I haven't even unwrapped yet. So let me see here. I'll go ahead and start with the Stretchy Bands. They had two different sizes in these bands. Of course, they had the size for the weekly editions as well as the daily editions. I have the daily edition planner now. I should have actually grabbed a set of daily bands as well as weekly bands because the planner I have now does run through the end of the year, and I plan to kind of use that one as well as the weekly one that I have now, kind of transition into both of them. I have a feeling after looking at this weekly one I'm going to be using it more than the daily, but I probably should have grabbed bands for both of my planners, so I might go back and order them. I did want to open this. I should have actually opened this before I started the video. I thought they would be kind of easy to open, but let me open this and show you guys kind of how big they are and give you my thoughts on the quality. They are really, really nice actually. They have the cute little pineapple here. I don't know if you can pick it up there in the camera. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you, but oh, probably not. Doesn't look like it wants to, but it has the cute little Simplified Planner pineapple there on it, which I love. There's two different colors on their website. This one is the pink and turquoise, and then I believe the other one was a green and another color. I'm not sure, but these were really cool. I'm not sure if they've had these before. I don't think so, but I definitely grabbed those. They did have a bundle on launch day, which was really cool because it just made checking out a little bit faster. But like I said, this was the turquoise and the pink, which matches the planner that I got really well. So I got both of those, and then I also got here the mint pineapple little magnet page clip, which is super cute. This is the actual planner that I got, which you guys will see here in a minute. And then I did pick up her brand new pens. She did like a collaboration here with Pilot and has a set of pens. She ended up selling out of these on launch day, but I'm pretty sure all these accessories, they're either back on her website or she is going to be bringing back. I'm excited to try these out. I've actually never had these, so I did pick up a pack of pens. Then I got the, this is a brand new sticker book that she had on the website, which I'm super excited about. I did already flip through here, and I don't want to like take too long on the video, but this is the absolute cutest sticker book ever. I wish that there's actually more in here. I mean, this is a pretty thick sticker book, but I mean, they're so cute. I can see myself totally buying more of these, but I'll just kind of thumb through and show you guys how adorable they are. But they're really, really good quality stickers, and they're super fun. I love them. I think they're adorable. But they're really cute for like down here, there's like spot to write what you're thankful for. So they're very seasonal here in the front. And then of course it kind of gets into more like icon type stickers here in the back. But I was on the fence because I did think that this book was a little bit more pricey, but after seeing the quality of these stickers and the design and how many actually come in this book, I definitely think it was a good buy. I'm really excited that I got it because it's super cute. I just only wish that there was more of them because I love them. I can see myself totally buying them again when I run out of this book. So I really like it. I think it's cute. I bet that there's probably more of these on her website. I probably should have looked before I started, you know, doing this haul, but there's a lot as far as this was on her website. Super cute. Oh, I love these. Those are really neat. Anyways, you guys get the drift. I don't want to take too long on showing you every little detail because this book is pretty big, but quality, like I said, top notch for this book. I definitely think it's a good buy. Oh, I love these. Me Time. How cute is that? Oh, love them. Super cute, super cute. Guys get the drift. So that is the big sticker book that she has now on the website. So grabbed that. I also picked up 2 of her notepads. These are items that were not new for release day. They're just 2 things that I've been wanting to get and I just haven't had the excuse to get them. And I was already purchasing, so I'm like, you know, let me add them. This is her grocery list notepad. There's just a spot here for fresh and frozen and non-perishables, and then refrigerated and deli. It's just like a basic kind of grocery list. I love my notepads. You guys have seen them a lot in like my grocery hauls. I tend to use them more than even like my planner or other like grocery type books that I have. So I grabbed this. The paper quality is really, really nice, and it's a nice thick notepad. So I grabbed this. It's like a grocery list book. And then I also grabbed a today's to-do list book, which just has, it's just a pretty basic to-do list book. But I figured if I was going to be living in that weekly planner book, I was going to be needing something more like this for days that get a little bit more crazy and I need more of a to-do list. So I grabbed this in addition to that. So I'm excited about that. I think it's pretty cool and I like the quality of it. This here is the mini notebook, and I went ahead and got it in the pineapples because it matches my weekly planner as well as my daily planner that I have already. I have not even opened this up yet, so I want to see what it looks like here on the inside. All of her stuff comes kind of wrapped in this blue kind of wrapping, if you will, like a border. Just most of the things I've already showed you guys, I've already taken off. I was trying to go a little bit faster here to show you everything, but this is what the notepad looks like. Super cute. It has small little pineapple foils there on top. And then the inside, really good quality paper. I like it a lot. But the inside is just lined pages. You can kind of fit it in addition to your planner, so really like it. And that's the mini notebook. And then I got these super cute paper clips. These are the pineapples. I love them. I think they're really, really cute. Super cute. And then I went ahead and got the icon stickers. I already have her dot stickers that I use all the time with my daily planner. So I decided to try the icon stickers this time. I like how big they are. I actually thought they were going to be a tad bit smaller. But I actually like the size of them. I'm interested to see kind of how I end up using them in the weekly planner, being that it's a little bit smaller than the daily. So I'm interested to kind of try it out and see what, you know, what kind of works in there. But these are really neat. I like the icon stickers. I tend to use more practical stickers than like decor type stickers. I'm more of like a practical planner, if you will, than like a decor planner, but these look cool. So there's a couple of sheets inside there. I like her stickers a lot. I like her icon stickers and the dot stickers. So this here was released on launch day and I thought it was so pretty. I love the simplicity of it. I think that it's just really classic looking. It is a brand new address book that she just came out with and I'm excited to use it. I have an address book now, but it's really, really been used. I've had it for a few years now and a lot of the contacts in there are old and I need to update it, and I just decided to get a fresh one, and I really like the simplicity of this one. I like the colors on it. I like on the binder here, it has the cute little pineapple. I loved it. Right when I saw it on one of her, I think it was one of her Facebook Lives that Emily did, I thought that I just loved it. I loved it. I like the kind of the gold border over here. And I just like her quality of everything. I like how this one lays flat. So I had to have it. And I think it was, I want to say it was around $20 or $25, I think. But for an address book that I'm going to have for a really long time, I think it was a pretty good buy. So I'll kind of thumb through this so that you guys can see it. On the sides over here, the letters just kind of go down here. And then they're in gold. I'm not sure if the lighting in the camera is picking it up very well, but you guys get the drift. It's a pretty basic address book, but all of the pages are the same. And I like them because there is a spot here for notes. So you have like the name and the address and the phone and the email, and then just a open note spot, which I like, instead of having like a designated spot for like birthdays or anniversaries or things that you may or may not use in an address book. it just has like an open spot for notes. So I don't know, let me know in the comments below if you guys actually use an address book or if you guys have gone completely digital with contacts. But I know that I'm just a big kind of like, I've always had a paper planner, I've always had a paper address book. I'm just like kind of hands-on and old school, I guess, in that way. And I just love the simplicity and the prettiness of this one. So grabbed that one and I love it. I love the way it looks in person, and I think that it would be a great buy for anybody. So I love that staple piece. So grabbed that. Now onto the planner, which is so pretty. I did already open it up. I could not wait. So I was gonna do like a proper unboxing for you guys, but I got it late at night and I just had to peek at it, and I'm so excited to use this weekly edition. I really, really like my daily. I have been in it now for a few months and I have not wanted to change. So I was really excited when they launched these because I knew right away I wanted to try the weekly because I wanted something a little bit smaller that I could transport with me, and I was not using the daily pages every single day in my daily planner. So I think that the weekly will work really, really well for me. So this is what the inside looks like. I love the pink boxes that they did for their 10-year anniversary. The ones last year were blue, which were super pretty too, but I love the pink. And right away, I knew when they launched the covers, this was the one I wanted. I love pineapples. I live in Florida and I love anything tropical, and I just love mint and I love pineapples, and I knew this was the one. So I ordered right away on launch day. Like, I think I ordered within the first couple minutes because I wasn't sure how soon these were gonna sell out. And the last time I looked, I mean, I'm not sure when I'm gonna get this video up for you guys, but they were pretty much, they were almost sold out of these, but I think they still had them. So they might still have this exact planner. So not positive, but you might still be able to grab this one. So I'll take it out of the box here and then kind of thumb through it so that you guys can see the layout. When it comes inside the box, you have this little kind of pamphlet here on top, and then it does come inside this plastic sheet as well as packed in bubble wrap. So it comes really well protected, and of course inside kind of your keepsake box here. So I like that about the packaging of all her planners. So this here is what the planner looks like. I should have grabbed my daily planner so that I can show you guys a size comparison. Let me actually go run, I'm gonna grab my daily for you guys real quick to compare. Okay, so this here is my daily planner on the bottom, of course, and then my new weekly here on top. So as you can see, it's substantially larger, and I was excited, like I told you guys before, to try the weekly just because it was going to be a little bit easier to transport. It does not have the coil bound system here. It's just kind of like flat, and it's a lot thinner. So it's going to be a lot easier for me to carry around and plan with. This was the one that I picked last year. Of course, it has pineapples also, so it's like a little theme with me, I guess. But I love this planner. I still plan on kind of using it from time to time if I'm having a busy week, or if I really want to kind of get back into a bigger one. I like to have the option. This one does run all the way through the end of the year, so I can still kind of be in that if I want to be, but I'm going to start using this weekly right away. This one starts in, I want to say it's August that it starts. I'll confirm here when I flip through it for you guys, but yes, it starts in August 2018. So you have a monthly glance here, and I think that the monthly kind of boxes here are a really good size. And then you have, of course, your week at a glance. And I love, I love everything about it. I can't say enough about it. I love the quality of the pages. I love the spacing for every single day. And then you have a spot down there for the weekend days, and then down here kind of at the very, very bottom, it's just a really cool way to kind of get you ready for the week ahead. There's a little check mark area there for you to plan your meals for the week ahead and tidy up for Monday, write tasks and an appointment, and fill your tank with what matters most. So I love that about all her stuff. It's just very simple and it's very streamlined, and you can be as decorated as you want to be and not as decorated as you want to be. So I really like that about all her stuff. So this is the weekly. At the very, very beginning of the planner, you do have a little place that you can put like stickers or whatever. I will probably keep icon stickers and the dot stickers right there in the front. When you open it up, you have a place to write, of course, your information for your planner. And then you just have a couple of little notes from Emily, how to use your planner. You have your year at a glance. You have your holidays right here. And then you have a couple of kind of worksheets, if you will. There's a couple of things that she has written here to help you kind of plan for your year ahead, what worked last year, what didn't work, ideas for a healthy habits. There's a section here for you to plan morning routines and evening routines. It's really cool. I'm excited for this section. It's something that she didn't have in her planner last year, so it's just a little kind of something different. And then this is a bucket list for the year, so something a little bit different that I'm excited to kind of work through, and then it goes right into the month. So every single month over here on the side is color coded, and it's like different colors for each month, so it's really easy to use and it's really streamlined. So I'm excited to get into this planner. It's really small and it's compact, and I think it's going to be easy to use. So that's like a really quick review of the new Simplified Planner. I absolutely love this mint pineapple. I think it's fun and it will be a good one to use. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions or if you want to see any other type planning videos from me. And I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this haul video from me. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Bye.